Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can ice skate together with your friends in Heartopia. Super simple. Basically, they just need to, or you just need to do the two-person interaction where you guys hold hands. Then when you're on the ice skating rink, you guys will just sink and ice skate together. I'm like trying to think of the words in my mind. I'm like sink. Yeah, you guys will like sink as you can see and be able to ice skate together. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can skate together in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.